Supply chain management, streamlining operations for success.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we'll explore the critical role of supply chain management in driving business success. Supply chain management, SCM, is the coordination and management of activities involved in 1. Sourcing and procurement. 2. Production and manufacturing. 3. Inventory management. 4. Logistics and transportation. 5. Delivery and distribution. Effective SCM enables 1. Improved efficiency and reduced costs. 2. Enhanced customer satisfaction. 3. Increased agility and responsiveness. 4. Better risk management. Key components of SCM. 1. Supply chain visibility. Real-time monitoring and tracking. 2. Demand planning. Accurate forecasting and planning through supplier management. Collaborative relationships and performance management. 4. Inventory optimization. Right stock, right time, right place. 5. Logistics and transportation, efficient and cost-effective. Key challenges in SCM. 1. Disruptions and uncertainty. Global events, demand volatility, and supply chain disruptions. 2. Cost management, rising costs, inventory optimization, and negotiating with suppliers. 3. Sustainability and ethical sourcing. Environmental concerns, ethical sourcing, transparency, and traceability. 4. Technological advancements. Rapidly evolving technologies, cybersecurity threats, and integration challenges. 5. Talent and skills gap. Attracting and retaining skilled workers and training and development of talents. Best practices. 1. Implement a supply chain management system, SCMS. 2. Invest in the attraction, retention, and training of talents. 3. Conduct regular supply chain assessments and address any gaps. 4. Foster collaborative relationships with suppliers. 5. Invest in data analytics and visibility tools. Reduce costs and
6.
improved efficiency. Continuously monitor and improve processes. Benefits of effective SCM. Improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased revenue and profitability. Reduced costs and improved efficiency. Enhanced competitiveness and market leadership. Optimizing your supply chain is an ongoing journey, but the rewards are immense. By focusing on efficiency, agility, and innovation, you can transform your supply chain into a powerful engine for long-term growth and success.